Hi friends, welcome. I hope you're well. This past weekend I documented protests in downtown Salt Lake City. The videos from these protests are going to be in a series. The first video, this one, is of the first half of the day where there was a huge turnout at the police station in downtown Salt Lake City. It was a surprising turnout, as I thought it was just going to actually be a car caravan circling the police station. A lot of people showed up. Eventually, people started spray painting the police station, throwing food at the police station. A couple of guys climbed on the police station. The second video in this series is going to be the second half of the day, and that's when things got much more hectic. Protesters flipped and burned a police car. They smashed windows. There was some looting as well. Riot police showed up. There was a lot of tension between the police and the protesters. Protesters throwing things at the riot police. There was a guy with a bow and arrow. That was you may have heard about that. That made national news, I believe. My hope is to paint more of a full picture of how things went, at least in Salt Lake City, and provide unopinionated documentation, which I think is incredibly important and is lacking right now. So here is the first half of the day. Okay, I think I'm in the right place. This appears to be the police station. The protest car caravan experience should come in about 30 minutes. Okay, I just spoke to some guys over there. They said the protest is coming through this spot, and I'm seeing photographers. There's one over there, one over there. They appear to be potentially photojournalists, so I think more confirmation is happening as the moments go by. Let's go chat with this guy. Are you here to photograph the protest?
Yes.
Okay, I was just making sure I was in the right spot.
According to the police press liaison who I just spoke to, they are, it's a car protest.
Right.
They're going to circle the block, but most of the walking people and anybody who wants to will end up here. Okay. Which is far prettier anyway, visually.
Sure. This is intriguing. Hi. This is what I look like, by the way. Or you guys see me in my office. I should say this is what I look like in photo walk mode. It's quite nice to be so early. I've had so many experiences where I think to myself, I wish I would have come a little bit earlier, or much earlier, or I just completely missed everything. T-minus 30 minutes. At the moment, I'm debating on if I want to switch to my 2.8 or not. It's basically the same lens, but 2.8 and heavier. I think it would probably be useful to get some shallower depth field going forward. Oh yeah. Look way more official. Now that there is a significant gathering, I decided to put on my mask. That will allow me to get closer to people if I need to. It's kind of tricky with my mask because my smile is a huge tool for me, and I don't have that. So I may have to compensate. There's something going on over here. two thoughts. I think I need more batteries and more SD cards. And second, I don't know if these people are going by social distancing guidelines. It's also a good workout.
And killer cops! And killer cops! No justice! No peace! No racism! No peace! No peace! No racism! No peace! And killer cops! 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 No justice! No peace! No racist! Police! Today we're here to stand up, we're here to fight back, and we're here to say that enough is enough! Come back this way! Come back this way! Come back this way!
Oh, good job. So he's trying to control the people. I think he's an organizer. He doesn't want them to leave the block. Yeah. Trying to stop for a second and regather. Everything's going so quickly. There's so much chaos, organized chaos right now at least. It's a little hard to think about where you're trying, what your strategy is.
No
Wow, this has been bananas. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up now. I was worried that I would not get a full video out of this protest, but I don't think I have to worry about that. One issue is that if I'm gonna leave, that's my car and I need to back up, so that might be a little bit tricky. Anyway, thanks so much guys for watching if you made it this far. Whew. Okay, that is it for this one. The video from the second half of the day will come out as soon as my fingers will allow it to occur. If you have any questions about my process or about the Salt Lake City protest, please feel free to comment them below. I'll be happy to engage with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, be well.